Hello guys and welcome to another Car Exposed video. Today we have a Renault Modus 2005. I believe it's a diesel version, but it doesn't really matter. It's already been diagnosed. The rear doors, the windows for the rear, both rear don't work, and also the alarm keeps going off. And I checked it. I monitored with a Maxicom MK908, and the doors keep switching from locked to unlocked by itself, and we have a problem with the UCH or body control module, if you like. I don't know if it's going to be something that I'm going to touch. We'll see. But I have the opportunity here to try to sort that problem out. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to, but it might be useful information for you guys that have the Maxicom. So check airbag, and I did check earlier. And I tried to cast the screen here. For some reason it's not working today, so I'm gonna have to apologize for that. So airbags, read codes. So that's what we have: DF070 068 077. Active fault, you can't clear it, and it says some type of configuration. So I'm not sure what happened here, if it was down to whatever happened to the car or the person that worked here before, but that's what we have. And I will try to configure those three items there with the Maxicom. So let's see how it's gonna go. I never done this before, so hopefully it's gonna work. So driver's curtain airbag, probably take a picture of that. Done. So driver curtain airbag, circuit configuration, front passenger, thorax side airbag configuration. So front passenger and driver thorax configuration. So let's try special functions. Configuration, reading impact context is not going to be here, is it? No impact detected. So right configuration, hopefully. So there we go. So I'm gonna have to look at the front thorax side airbag, front thorax, driver side and passenger side. I think that was the two that I can remember. Ignition on, engine stopped. Okay, I didn't want to turn the ignition off because I just had to jump start this car. By the way, don't buy a Genius Norco Genius boost. Don't waste your money. I choose my trusty jump lead cables there. So let's try. So 1293 there, so hopefully we're gonna be okay. Right, to activate without, it says without the minute. Let's see what options we have. Let's try with. Okay. The other one was passenger side as well. Without. So we change that to with. Again. What was the other one? I'm gonna have to go to pictures. Right, so the other one was driver curtain airbag. So drive curtain airbag. Righto. Driver. Curtain side airbag. Driver. Right, without as well. So let's change that to with. Was that the problem? Let me check the other ones, like driver front airbag. Let's say passenger front airbag. Let's see what it says. It says with or without. It says with. Okay, so that might be the issue. And did we solve the problem? I can't see any faults there anymore, but let me turn the ignition off for a few seconds. Turn back on. All right, so that seems to do the job. Every time you turn on the ignition, it would come up as airbag fault. All right, so that seems to sort the problem. Let's check for the fault again. All right, so 1278 there, that's not bad. That's okay. Hopefully the car will start. All right, read faults. No faults detected. So that was pretty easy. So there you go, guys. I've never done this before. This is the first time that I had to do this configuration. I don't know if it looks like a kind of cozy. And yeah, I hope it comes helpful. Just a quick video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.